From the bright lights of the West End to the familiar faces of British television, Diane Langton has spent decades captivating audiences. But how did she rise to prominence, and what makes her career a fascinating study in the performing arts? Born in Somerset, England, in 1947, Diane Langton grew up in a world rebuilding from war. But even amidst challenges, the arts provided a beacon of hope. From a young age, she was drawn to music, dance, and storytelling. Diane's love for performing blossomed in her youth, inspiring her to pursue formal training in theater and dances. Diane Langton's first major breakthrough came in musical theater, where her dynamic energy and vocal talents stood out. She became a familiar face in productions like A Chorus Line in Chicago. She wasn't just a performer, she was a storyteller, bringing depth and charisma to every role she played. While Diane found her footing on stage, she also made her mark on the screen. From comedy sketches to dramatic roles, her versatility shone through in series like The Rag Trade and Only Fools and Horses. Her ability to balance both mediums, stage and screen, cemented her reputation as a well-rounded artist. Diane Langton's contributions to the performing arts extend beyond her own performances. She's a source of inspiration for aspiring actors, proving that dedication, adaptability, and passion are key to success. Her career offers valuable lessons. Embrace versatility, stay curious, and never stop learning. Today, Diane Langton remains a celebrated figure in British entertainment, known for her iconic roles and enduring spirit. Her story reminds us of the transformative power of the arts. Thank you for joining us in exploring the life and legacy of Diane Langton. Let us know in the comments which of her roles inspired you the most. Don't forget to subscribe for more stories from